Need to ask you, because coming up in 20 minutes here, Zeke Emanuel is going to join us. This is the brother of Ramhbo, and he is said to be the architect of Obamacare. He's a respected doctor, but he's been under a lot of fire since this law was born. Because
and his values are very much reflected in here.
His handprints are all over that, and
we're
going to talk to him. And I am going to ask him, and I'll tell you right now, that's what I'm going to ask him. Was the president misleading when he said we could keep our doctors and we can keep our plans intentionally, or was he just grossly mistaken? Because it's clear now that hundreds of thousands, if not millions of Americans are not able to keep their plans and not able to keep their doctors. What do you want to know from Zeke Emanuel? I know you've been a critic.
Well, first of all, it's not what I want to know from him because I've read his writings very thoroughly. But his values, I believe, are dangerous, and most Americans would agree with me. For example, in his 2008 article in the Journal of the American Medical Association, he says that doctors in America take the Hippocratic Oath too seriously and focus too much on the needs of their own patients. They ought to be thinking about whether the resources could be better used for the teenage mother down the hall or some other patient. You know, when you're in that exam room on that table, you want your doctor to be focused only on what he or she can do for you.
I'm going to ask him about that and many other things.
And he says 65-year-olds, they've had their chance.
I will ask him about that and give him the chance to respond in an important interview that's coming up. Betsy, thank you.